Alright guys, good morning. How are you all doing today? Enjoying raining? Okay, so we are going to start off our new topic today, which is classes and objects. And it's again a very important thing to discuss. You might probably be later on using the object-oriented approach, the classes and objects later on in your career if you end up ever creating software applications. Okay, so let's first talk about the object-oriented approach. So many of today's most popular programming languages are object-oriented, but that is not the only way to write your application, to develop any software applications. Okay, so in order to compare the benefits of object-oriented approach with with other approaches, it is fair to compare it with the simple approach that we have been using so far, which is called the procedural programming. So in procedural programming language, you write a procedure in a stepwise manner, just like us here. So you write a procedure to achieve certain tasks, like in a sequential manner. You write instructions from top to bottom. Now you may organize your code in the form of modules by organizing them in definitions and functions, but the end goal is to achieve from point A to point B. So this is how you actually write the procedural codes. So it is exactly similar to following a recipe of baking a cake. So you mix the ingredients together, pour them in a pan, and put them in the oven, and you get the cake. Okay. If you were to approach the same problem of baking a cake using object-oriented approach, rather than following a step of instructions, what you would do is you would create an independent objects. Just like a mixer, you would focus on creating an object that could mix the ingredients together. Similarly, creating an object that could hold the contents like a pen. And similarly, creating an oven as an object to use it for our own purpose. Do you see any advantage here compared to the procedural, like writing a stepwise instructions? Yep.
Like if like an object has multiple different elements, that way like when you're coding you could just like call that object instead of having to write the characteristics each time.
Exactly, yes. And another advantage, the most important thing, is you can use the same object in other part of the code. You can use the same object to mix other ingredients. Okay, so you can use the same oven to bake muffins instead of cake. So the point here is the code reusability. So you can use the objects again and again for serving different purposes as long as they are aligned. You cannot put in something which you should not be putting in the oven. You should be using it for the right purpose. But you can reuse the same piece of code that you create to achieve different tasks. Okay.